Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about arranging our factory and machines. This will help us smoothly move products and work more efficiently. We'll focus on a 400 kilograms per day capacity factory set up in a 500 to 1000 square feet area. First, we start with raw material entry and storage. Choose a spot near the entrance for receiving raw millets. Next to the entrance, make a storage area for the raw millets. It should be easy to access for unloading and moving to the processing area. Following this, designate an area for the millets pre-cleaning and cleaning machine. This machine will taking long space because removing dust, dirt on other impurities. Then install the hulling machine, hullers. This machine also takes up more space because it removes the outer husk from the millet seeds. Grains are also graded in this machine. Subsequently, arrange for the packaging area to be set up. In this area, workers ensure the packaging bags are properly weighed before being filled with the finished product. Once the packaging is completed by the workers, near the exit, establish an area for finished product storage and dispatch. Use shelving units or pallets for storing the finished products, organized for easy access and dispatch. By considering all these aspects, you can efficiently produce millet rice. All the best. Do like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.